Okay, Tom and Darcy and Tex, it's been 10 days since we started our science fair experiment. What was your experiment about?
Mould. How does mould grow quicker?
And Tom, what was your hypothesis? Do you remember?
I think it was I think mould grows quicker outside and when it is wet and when it is outside.
And which one of these breads was the one that was outside and wet?
This one.
Yeah. And what
It's got a tiny bit of mould.
Has it? Could
That
be.
looks like mould, I think.
Could be dirt.
Now,
so
use a magnifying
So
glass to see it
what
is.
conclusion can you make about your hypothesis? What are you thinking about mould and outside and wet now? Now that you've made some observations.
I think
What happened to your bread?
my bread? The birds ate it. It's now just a crust.
Yeah, the birds ate it. Have you ever seen mould outside anywhere?
Nope.
You can't come in here, Dad.
I wonder why.
Dad, don't come in your workroom.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, because the birds eat it and animals eat food, don't they? Where have you seen mould before?
In
Right there.
America.
Whereabouts normally outside of our experiment have you seen mould before?
In a bucket of pesto, maybe.
And where was it?
It was just inside.
Inside? In a container?
In a container.
Yeah, we're just making a video. Okay, Darcy, what was your hypothesis?
My hypothesis was, I think mould will grow quicker wet and in a plastic bag.
And why did you think that?
Well, because wet kind of makes it a little bit moist and plastic bag keeps the air away and some of
What
it inside.
Yeah, good. What happened to the bread where we didn't put in a plastic bag?
It got no mould in it. Well, it didn't get any mould in it.
Yeah, what other observations can we make about the...
My hypothesis was right,
Yes.
and it got the most mould.
So what day did we see the mould on your bread?
Day 6.
Day 6. What happened to the bread that wasn't in a plastic bag?
Got no mould.
And what else? What other observations can we make?
Well, some got cracked. The ones in the fridge got cracked, and it was slippery, and the ones outside have pretty much been demolished by birds.
Yeah, because other ones that we set up were wet, weren't they?
Yeah.
Are they wet now?
No.
No.
So that. Except the one with the mould, it's still a bit wet.
It's still wet. The one in the plastic bag was
After
still
10
wet.
days, that's
Okay.
amazing. Blah.
Excellent.
And this one's the most disgusting.
Yeah. So what makes mould grow quicker?
Wet when it's wet in a plastic bag. Hey, just look in there. That's it.
It's pretty disgusting.
And you'd like to see the back.
Yep, that's pretty horrible. We might put that in the
I'm going
compost.
up